Hey, Donald here. So today I'm going to show you a fun little A/B test experiment that you can run, and which is when someone hover to the call to action, and it will show up a GIF right there to try to get people to click on it. It is fun and it is easy to do, and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can add this effect on your website too. So something like this is something a little bit slightly more complicated than just making changes on your tags or just changing the image. So it involves a little bit of JavaScript, but don't worry because everything can be done through AI nowadays, and you don't even need to know how to write codes. So let me show you how. And all you needed to do is just to specify what you wanted to do, how you want it to be achieved, and what are some of the elements that were involved. And then right here, as you can see, for example, if I wanted to add this GIF, right, it involves a GIF file, obviously, and this button. So hover on this button and I want the GIF to show. So in order for that to work, just open up one of the many LLM AI chatbot that you wanted to use. And from here, all you needed to do is just to tell it that you can say, hey, when someone hover on my main hero call to action button, add a floating Shaya LaBeouf, just do it meme, GIF meme beside the button. And here is the image. Now you obviously have to provide it an image. So now we can just let's just do it meme GIF, right? So right here. So this looks nice, right? So let's just copy the image address. So obviously you would want it to host the image yourself and make sure there's no copyright issue, first of all. So after you have that, let's just open up this and see, okay, so this is working. So this is a valid GIF file, right? So just do that. Here's the image. So this is the image to the GIF when someone hover on my call to action button. So you also have to specify what is the call to action button. So how do we do that? So go back to your page, right click on the button, inspect. So this will open up your developer tools. And right here, we'll just find the button. So this is the button. Right click, copy selector. So this will get us the coordinates of this button. So we call it the path selector. So this is what it looks like. So when someone hover on my main hero call to action, so this is the button, the coordination of it, button, and add a floating Shia LaBeouf, just do a GIF meme beside the button. Cool. And before we submit, so we also need to tell it, I need it to be in JavaScript snippet that will add the event listener and inject the image. So yeah, so we need to specify that we need it to be in JavaScript. So I'll submit that. And the hardest part of all of this is to pronounce Shia LaBeouf, I guess. So yeah, so now it is generating the JavaScript. It is, so far everything looks great. Everything looks good. Okay, let's just try that. So here's the JavaScript code. You can just copy that. And so you can go to your page, open up the developer console again, go to the console tab. And right here, you can just paste the code right here. And if you just press enter, it will just execute this code, JavaScript code on your website. And right here, as you can see, it's working now. And right now, after that, you can start running an A/B test. So go to Mida, you can create a profile, run it on Mida.so homepage, press next. Right here, all you needed to do is just use edit.js, paste the code right here, the JavaScript code, complete, and just save it. Go back here. And from here, if I preview the variant that we just saved, so right here, it says that it is the variant one. So, yep, as you can see, it's working now. And if we preview the control, it will not show up the GIF. So after that, you can also say that I only want it to run on desktop because mouse hovering doesn't work on mobile. So I'll save that. For the goal, I want to see if someone have created an account or click on home call to action button. All right, so next, and just publish the test. And there you go, it is now published. And we'll see if that works. So right here, you can also preview it. Yeah, so that's how you do it. And I hope you learned something and have fun with A/B testing. And catch you on the next one. See ya.